stalls this time, and then we have student performers also this time. Starting from classes playgroup till class 12, they are performing on their own, and we are trying to showcase their talents, hidden talents which they have. Children, in our school, they do everything for this unwind because we do this on the eve of Children's Day, and they put everything on their own. They perform, they put up stalls, they plan this, they execute this. Okay, so it's just, for the children, by the children, and of the children.
Okay, and ma'am, did you have this kind of fun when you were a kid?
We only had fancy dress in our school. That's it, nothing else. And sometimes I feel that I would like to become a child and study in this school. And get the same amount of exposure, which you all get.
Okay, but we are really thankful for you to providing us this opportunity. And lastly, as we ask everyone, what will be your special message?
I would like to be a part of this, Children's Day along with you.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.
It's a wonderful thing. Actually, it's encouraging and it's a good step taken by the school. And I must thank all your school students and teachers and chairmen, sir, that they are encouraging students to do the better in the future. It's a competitive mind will create between the children. They will grow more.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, so now here's going the scholar ceremony of Sai International School. Now all the parents and the children are busy watching. Now we have Mr. Arvind from the Sai International group. Sir, how are you enjoying Unwind?
Yeah, I'm enjoying really, really well, and I wish all the children of Sai International School all the very best and enjoy and have fun. This is one event which Sai International School is organizing since the inception of the school, and Unwind is one event where children really express themselves, enjoy, have a lot of fun. So I just want them to continue doing so. I would like to, Mr. Deepak Somani, who is a part of this school, to say something, to say a few words on this great event called Unwind.
Okay, so we have Mr. Deepak Somani. Sir, how are you enjoying
It's an event which is meant for you guys. So if you people are enjoying this, we are happy, and our fulfillment is only when you people are enjoying. So it should come from your side only, how you people are feeling about it.
And any special messages for the children of today?
You should have fun at the time of fun, at the time of studies. You better concentrate on that also. Both the things should go side by side. One should not be neglected for the others.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. So what do you think is so special about Unwind?
It's totally a unique program for children and for parents also, because in most of the schools parents are not involved in such a way. So I think this is the best program to involve parents and children at a time.
Okay, and any special messages for the children?
Love yourself, love your parents, and keep studying timely and do the work at your best. Thank you.
Hello.
Hi,
Your name?
Adarsh Raj.
So you're a scholar of Sai International, right?
Yeah.
How are you feeling?
Great, top of the world.
You feeling nice?
Yeah.
So your studies and all have paid back you with a scholar pleasure, right?
Yeah.
And now, so what are your feelings about Unwind?
Yeah, it's good. The school has put up much effort in doing the program a grand success, and I hope it will continue.
Thank you. Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
Simran.
So you too are a scholar, right?
Yep.
Enjoying?
Very, very, very much.
Okay, so what are your feelings and experiences about Unwind?
I'm super excited, super enthusiastic, and I'm super happy.
How are you feeling after getting this pleasure?
Bit higher than the others. Flying high.
Okay, thank you.
Happy Children's Day!
Harshita and Purvi here. También de repente, mira sentido toda mi vida con tu querer. Una vez, और मुझे अच्छा लगेगा if you go and purchase the orange t-shirt that we have here. Well, it's soon running out of stock, so I request all of you to be.
Last, Rita Lucky one, come on. Stopper, last check. All right, we are going to start the lucky ball is Steve.
छोट पिला माने सबुठु बेसी खाइबा को कोन पसंद करंती चॉकलेट्स एंड आइसक्रीम सो से सब जिंस को रखी की एबे हम आसी पहुंचू चॉकलेट फाउंटेन रे वाओ कितने यम्मी Donate for the needy. That's what this stall says. This stall is specially put up for the needy people who don't get money, who don't get proper education, who don't get clothing in a complete year. So we are here to reach out them, to collect money for them and donate them with a kind heart. Let's have a talk with the stall. Hello.
How are you, Divya?
I'm fine. What's your name?
Chandrakant.
Okay, so what is this stall exactly for?
This is a charity event where we organize funds through people by helping them unleash their philanthropic sides. And basically she summed it all up, so I don't think I need to elaborate on the finer details. But we're actually working for orphanages and we're working for the less privileged ones, the more needy ones. So come out here and reach out, donate.
As you know that there is only 114 for tiger left, so it's our supports to the Save the Tigers. So it's a joint effort so we can save the tigers.
Thank you, ma'am.